What? Is that a sock? Just hanging? Goodbye, princess room. You sure you don't want that princess on?
Is paint over the butterflies?
Sure. Sanding down the gloss.
Yeah, just you knock the gloss off it. Try to make it smooth because this is like paint over paint.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't want to end up with little flower outlines.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, do something cute. Alright, after a little hiatus of the holidays and doing some other projects around the house, we're back in the princess room, which is no longer a princess room, as you can see by the blank wall behind me that no longer says princess.
Looks so good.
We are gonna be trying to knock out the flooring. And the ugly yellowed ceilings. So Lindsay's gonna be prepping the floor, and I'm gonna be doing the edge work and then painting the ceiling up. And tomorrow, we should hopefully be able to get in here and do the flooring, now that the subfloor also got repaired.
Yeah, should look great. I can't wait.
It's gonna look awesome. The office is now the prettiest room in the house, which is bogus. So our goal is hopefully to knock out this room, which will be a guest room, knock out the room next door to it, which is painted also, and just needs the same ceiling and flooring treatment. And then we can move on to our master bedroom, and then we can move into the master bedroom.
Oh my goodness.
So,
I can't wait.
And we'll have a walk-in closet and lots of windows. It's gonna be amazing.
And not live like a teenager.
And then we can go into our old teenage room that we were living in all this time, and we're gonna turn that into the gym.
Nice.
So that's the plan in the next week, and we'll see if we can get it done. done. This room is looking great. I still have to do the trim, and I'm pooped. I'm gonna do that tomorrow, so we'll see you tomorrow. Come on! Alright, so off camera, again, trim is not my favorite thing to do, so I went ahead and knocked this room out. Came out pretty good. I just need one more stick to finish this side, and a little piece right here. So we're gonna run out and get that, but I figure it's close enough that I can start putting some finishing touches on this thing. We got this door nice and painted. We're gonna put this up real fast and hang some curtains, and then we just need some furniture. Let's start closing the door again now.
Nice.
I didn't have a closet system or anything planned, but we did have this random clothing hanger, so I went and just rolled that in there just because it fit. And so I'm gonna call that a closet. It's done! So I bought a third curtain rod and curtain just to do this window, even though there's no window here. This was one of the 3 in the house where the window must have been so badly damaged that the prior owner just removed it and then capped it on both sides. So I had this vision of the Matrix when they open the curtains and there's a brick wall. So I kind of wanted that for the guests, you know, let me open this third window. But eventually I'm gonna put another window in here.
Yeah.
So Lindsay and I are in no way, shape, or form interior designers. We just kind of wing stuff with what we like, and we try to meet in the middle of not having a terrifying house on the off chance that we sell this thing soon. So instead of you know, the real dark paint, we tend to go with, you know, a little bit lighter, but keep the colors that we like. So in this case, this is a nice warm gray, and when we picked out these curtains, we were between some navy curtains and these are actually beige. But as soon as we hung them on the wall, we realized that they look exactly the same color as the wall. So immediately we were like, this isn't the right curtain. So scratch that last 5 minutes. We picked these up. So hopefully these look better. Got these curtains changed, and I knocked out that last little piece of trim I was missing. So this room is like 99% done. The only thing really left is I just got to put the door handle back on this closet, but I wanted to actually like sandblast it and kind of restore it before I put it back on. And then the door is old and cruddy still, so we're just gonna get a little cheap 6-panel door, and that'll be a really easy swap. But what a difference from the hot pink princess room to a grown-up guest bedroom. It was a lot of work, but What do we got, like 5 more bedrooms to go? But this room opened a can of worms of electrical issues because one of these outlets had a bad ground. So it took like an extra 2 weeks because I'm the kind of person that can't like leave a problem. If I find it, I can't pretend it's not there. I just have to fix it. So I ended up tracing this entire circuit, and it comes from the basement up the sidewall through the attic, hits a couple things along the way, and then at some point it lost a ground. And after a lot of tracing, I traced it back to the light switch in the master bedroom. One of the ground wires was just clipped and it just wasn't connected. So there was no grounds on any outlets from this circuit and then all the way around the master bedroom, and I just couldn't have that. So I went through one by one, checked them all, and changed the outlets. And I was also working in the attic, adding light fixtures and switches, because this room was, not this room, but some of the other rooms were missing either light fixtures or actual switches in the walls. So I added some of that, added all light in the hallway, and everything's looking fantastic.